How to connect Xfinity cable box to TV. First, connect the coaxial cable. Find the coaxial cable coming from your cable wall outlet and connect it to the port on the back of the Xfinity box labeled Cable In, RF In. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into HDMI out on the Xfinity box and plug the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV, such as HDMI 1. Step 3. Connect the power. Plug the Xfinity box's power cable into the box and then into a wall outlet or surge protector. Turn the TV and Xfinity box on. Step 4. Select the correct TV input. Using the TV remote, press Input/Source. Then select the HDMI port you used. For example, if you plug the cable into HDMI 1, select HDMI 1 on the TV. Xfinity confirms that the selected TV input must correspond to the physical HDMI port being used. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.